A mind-boggling question to ponder. Are the latest high-tech fighter jets truly superior to their classic battle-tested counterparts? Today, a deep dive into the world of aviation will unveil this intriguing comparison. Imagine a stage where modern marvels of technology, the new generation fighter jets, compete with the enduring legacy aircraft. It's a contest of speed, agility, firepower, and technology. A contest between the future and the past. The new fighter jets, like the F-35 Lightning II, are truly a technological marvel. They are stealthy, fast, and loaded with advanced avionics. The F-35, for instance, can cruise at supersonic speeds without afterburners, a feature known as super cruise. This reduces its fuel consumption and increases its range. Advanced radar systems and sensors give it unparalleled situational awareness, allowing it to detect and track targets from greater distances. On the other hand, legacy aircraft like the F-15 Eagle have their own set of unique advantages. These aircraft have a proven track record, having been tested in real-world combat situations. The F-15, for example, has an impressive kill ratio and is renowned for its speed and maneuverability. Its twin-engine design makes it highly reliable, while its large wing area gives it excellent high-speed maneuverability. When it comes to firepower, both the new fighter jets and the legacy aircraft are formidable opponents. The F-35, for instance, carries a wide array of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs. It also has an internal cannon for close-range combat. The F-15, meanwhile, can carry an even greater payload, with up to 8 air-to-air missiles or a combination of missiles and bombs. However, the comparison isn't all about speed, maneuverability, and firepower. New fighter jets, with their advanced avionics and stealth technology, have a distinct advantage in modern warfare. They can engage targets from farther away, and their stealth features make them difficult to detect. Legacy aircraft, on the other hand, may lack the advanced technology of their newer counterparts, but they have a proven track record. They have been tested in the heat of battle, and their performance is well documented. They may not have the latest technology, but they have something just as valuable: experience. In the end, the contest between new fighter jets and legacy aircraft isn't a straightforward one. It's a complex comparison that involves a multitude of factors, from speed and maneuverability to technology and experience. In summary, new fighter jets, with their advanced technology, offer superior situational awareness, stealth, and precision strike capabilities. Legacy aircraft, on the other hand, offer reliability, proven combat performance, and a larger payload. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them depends on the specific requirements of the mission. So, the next time you marvel at the latest high-tech fighter jet, remember the enduring legacy of the classic aircraft. They each represent a unique chapter in the ongoing story of aviation, a story that continues to unfold as technology evolves and the demands of modern warfare change.